Alright, this is a new video where the last one left off. This one is what I ate after filming a survival challenge. I'm gonna eat like crazy. That's what I feel like today. I'm starting it off with my favorite. I'm not sponsored by this, but oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, it's so good. Ah. Ah. Oh, my brain. Oh, I know what I'm gonna do next. I'm gonna take those supplements. Oh, I'm doing it right now. Alkaline herbs, 4 capsules of 2 things, so I've got 8 capsules. These are my lifeline. These are how I make it through life. And I didn't take them yesterday during the challenge because I thought that would be cheating. Or some liquid. These are pretty big capsules, so I can only take 2 at a time. Ah, it's stuck. Oh, God. Ooh, linden flower tea. Oh, it's stuck in there. It won't go down. Okay, I have one of these meatloaf muffins I made the other day. I don't remember what I'm calling them yet. Itadakimasu. I forgot. Finally got the paper off of this, the muffin paper or whatever. Mmm, looks good. And the inside, yum. Mmm. Oh my god, this is saving my life. Or probably the sea moss is gonna be digesting now. Oh my god, my head. I can feel the nutrients going into my body. Burdock and nettle tea. Mmm. Mmm. Holy crap. That's good. Oh. Oh my god. Wow. Yeah, that's good. Actually, I know why my head and neck hurts. Moving that bed the other day. I need to find my teacup so I can have some of this tea. Well, I'll use this cup instead, I guess, because I'm still filming. This is the cup that matches this anyway. Ah, that's good. Sarsaparilla and burdock. Ah. Ah. Well, I think you're supposed to hold these a certain way too, but I'm not doing it. These are the brownies I made the other day. Alkaline vegan brownies, of course.
There's something in it. It's soft.
It's fudgy.
It's not hard.
Wow, my headache is almost gone. Sarsaparilla tea, and I put sarsaparilla in these brownies too. I'm gonna be hyperactive in a few. Oh yeah.
Help me with the pouring thing.
Okay.
You don't have to film it.
Eating another one of these. Mmm. It's really good. Leftover. Mmm. It's almost like a stuffing biscuit. You have no idea how good this is after filming all day yesterday. Mmm. All right, it's almost ready. So excited. Itadakimasu.
Sauce, definitely.
Mmm. Mmm. Wow.
What do you want more?
I don't know.
This?
Mmm. That's really good. It's spicy. It's crunchy. It's a little earthy. Slightly earthy. Crunch of the peppers and the lettuce. The spicy sauce. There's cooked mushrooms in there and something else, giving it another savory flavor. And then there's the fresh leaves. Mmm. And pickled or salted cucumber. Mmm. It's good. Also a little bit of sesame seed coming through as well. Wow. Very, very flavorful. Very, very spicy. Well, we drank this entire pitcher of that cranberry lemonade substitute that I came up with the other day. Did I post the video of that already? It was so refreshing. Of course, there's no cranberry or lemon in it. Alkaline people know better. But tastes just like it, and it's healthy, and it hits the spot. I'm probably gonna finish it off.
There's another.
Trying to take it easy today, but then my head is...
You still have headache? Fresh basil. Do you want more chips for later?
It's good. This thing looks crazy. All right, mishwacked my teeth. Good morning. It's day 8 of the whatever I'm calling this challenge. Trying to get to New York to do an alkaline vegan mukbang just by using YouTube.